Are you ready? Let's go! Which bird is this? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a sparrow. Spell with me S-P-A-R. R-O-W, sparrow. Great job! Which bird coos and lives in the city? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a pigeon. Spell with me. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Great job! Which bird goes caw-caw and is black in color? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a crow. Spell with me. C-R-O-W, crow. Great job, little bird watcher. Which bird has a red chest and sings sweet songs? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a robin. Spell with me. R-O-B-I-N, robin. Great job. Which bird is bright blue and loves to sing in the trees? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a blue jay. Spell with me. B-L-U-E-J. A-Y, blue jay. Great job. Which bird is bright red and loves to sing? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a cardinal. Spell with me. C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L. Cardinal. Great job. Which bird is black and white and loves shiny things? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a magpie. Spell with me. M-A-G-P-I-E, magpie. Great job. Which bird has big, colorful feathers? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a peacock. Spell with me. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Great job! Which bird sings many sounds and loves to copy other birds? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a starling. Spell with me. S-T-A-R-L-I-N-G. Starling. Great job! Which bird lives near the sea and loves to fly high? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a seagull. Spell with me. S-E-A-G-U-L. L, seagull. Great job, little explorer. Which bird flies high and is very strong? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is an eagle. Spell with me. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Great job! Which bird flies super fast in the sky? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a falcon. Spell with me. F-A-L-C-O-N. Falcon. Great job, little genius. Which bird flies really high and has sharp eyes? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a hawk. Spell with me. H-A-W-K, hawk. Great job, little explorer. Which bird goes hoo-hoo at night? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is an owl. Spell with me. O-W-L, owl. Well done. Which bird eats leftovers and cleans up nature? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a vulture. Spell with me V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Great job. Which bird loves to swim in the snow? Yes, it's a penguin. Let's spell it together. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Awesome! Which bird is pink and stands on one leg? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a flamingo. Spell with me F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Great job. Which bird loves to swim and says quack quack? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a duck. Spell with me D-U-C-K, duck. Great job, little one. Which bird has a long neck and loves to swim? Can you guess it? Yes, you're right. It's a swan. Spell with me S-W-A-N, swan. Great job.
Like, my channel.